This is Beep Beep from Alfred's Premier Piano Course, Level 1A Performance Book. It's the very first song in the book. And we just want to remember that we need to use fingers 2 and 3 in each hand, placing those fingers down on the groups of 2 black keys. The right hand goes on the middle group, the left hand goes on the next group that's lower. And we're going to rest both hands there on the black keys. We want to feel those nice strong fingers. And when we see the red arrows on the page, we want to remember to move the right hand. And we just move the hand with a nice big float as we float up the keys. So here we go from the beginning. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Together. Float. Float. Leave the right hand there. Left hand. 3, 2, 3. Left, right, left, right, left, right, right. And then we float both hands off the keys. Have lots of fun making those big sounds using firm fingertips and lots of arm weight to get your big sounds. Enjoy!